need on do this three this method, but expansion valve and turbine expansion is nearly have the same principle. So actually we concentrate on outside or outer is okay, and inner sitter. So how mechanical refrigeration system is work? Is based on Carnot reverse Carnot circle. This is the reverse Carnot circle for refrigeration system. We already study in thermodynamics. So this is the reverse Carnot circle applied for vapor compression refrigeration cycle. We use this system as the outside refrigeration system. Could you help me draw this figure, please? Remind about this figure. It is the same. This is the outside.
Không một lần.
Help me draw it. Raise your hand when you finish. Okay. So this is a typical diagram for vapor compression refrigeration system using refrigerant. Refrigerant we can use as methane, ethene, propane, or mixed refrigerant, or we can use NH3 or some other. But in gas processing and conditioning, we can use refrigerant, propane, ethene, and so on, or mix some other component. So this system including four main equipment. We have evaporator, compressor, condenser, and throttle valve. Throttle valve, sometimes we use it expansion valve, okay. They can use expansion valve. Instead of throttle valve, they can use expansion valve, okay. So in this circle, refrigerant running inside this cycle. It takes the heat, for example, the Q1 from the natural gas or processed gas become vapor. And then when it become vapor, it's moving to compressor. As here, as compressor, the vapor is compressed and increase the pressure to higher pressure. And transport into condenser. In this condenser is release some heat to the air and be condensed, become liquid at high pressure. So from 4 to 1 refrigerant in liquid form or liquid phase at high pressure, moving through throttle valve or expansion valve to decrease pressure and go back evaporator. Become to liquid, go through throttle valve, decrease pressure. So in TS diagram, we can express this circle in the TS diagram like this. From 1 to 2 is a counter temperature evaporation process. From 2 to 3 or 2 to 3 bar is a compression process, increase pressure. From 3 to 4 we decrease pressure and condense. Is a condenser in condenser. This is a counter temperature condensation in this region. And then from 4 to 1, this region expand, become go back to the first state. So what type of refrigerant we can use? As I told you, we can use methane. So this is the phase diagram of methane CH4. So it's the phase boundary of phase envelope here.